RP400A for Thermal Transfer Barcode Printer. Classic appearance design, stylish and elegant, applicable to different scenarios, like manufacturing, warehousing, logistics, medical care, office assets, and other industries. Supports thermal or thermal transfer printing modes, printing speed up to 6 IPs, 152 mm per second. Stable performance, long-term continuous printing, equipped with paper out reminder. Say goodbye to missing prints. High-quality cutter, can cut various printed materials. Two, paper loading methods. Equipped with Ethernet, serial, USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi for optional. Automatic alignment of seam labels. Print without misalignment. Internal capacity, 5 127 mm outer diameter large paper bin. Can load 300 meters ribbon. Modular structure design makes paper and ribbon replacement more convenient. Support BarTender. Supports importing spreadsheet data source for printing via Rongta barcode label editing software. RP400A for Thermal Transfer Barcode Printer.